this week's episode of Grand Designs. This week, I'm going to be revisiting Molly and Paul to see how their new house is coming along in rural Cheshire.
Wang Dong! Hi, moi! Hi, moi! Hi, moi! Hi, moi!
So, have you got much left to do?
Oh, you know, this and that. Bits and pieces, odds and ends.
So that would explain the missing door.
Yeah, and the missing roof. But you know, it's a work in progress.
So you started with a budget of £100,000. Was that enough?
Oh, yeah! No. I mean, to an extent. After Paul's family disowned him, I was forced to sell both my kidneys on the black market to fund the super bling bath taps and the remote control flushing toilet.
So having gone through those troubles, would you say that your relationship has weathered the storm?
Yeah, well, there have been a few problems, but I'd say our relationship has remained loyal and strong, hasn't it?
Oh, yeah,
Love, hasn't it?
Sleeping with the electrician in the drainage ditch. You call that loyal and strong?
Tea.
Yeah, I'll go make some tea in the non-existent teacups. No, you wait there, Paul. I'll go make it in the non-existent kitchen. Here, have some scalding hot water from the non-existent kettle.
Oh, wait a minute, that didn't hurt. Because it doesn't exist. Like our love, or our children, or this chair.
Oh, well, let me take your hat, Kevin. Bang! You hear that? You hear that? This was part of a non-existent hat stand. The hat stand you didn't build because you were too busy shagging the plumber.
As you can see, Molly and Paul have created something truly unique here in the peaceful valleys of Cheshire. A sanctuary of calm to escape from their busy lives and spend a little precious time together. They stand as models to us all. If only there were more builds like this one.